All right, here we go. So
this is the regular processor. This is the actuator assembly. You're going to have a short cable that's going to connect from one of these terminals to one of these terminals.
Okay.
And I don't believe it matters.
Right.
Actually, let me show you the layout. So you're going to go from your control heads.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to have a cable that goes, you have two control heads,
Correct.
right? So you're going to have this cable right here, which is on here, is going to go around to, oh, wait a minute, we're going to need 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, that's the processor. That's right. Okay, so
So that box is this one.
This box right here is this one.
Okay.
I'm sorry, this one.
Correct.
This one is this.
That puts the mechanically motor in and out of gear on the throttle.
Correct.
All right.
So you're going to have this cable here is going to connect from here to here.
Okay.
This CAN bus. You're going to have one. Let's see. Which one are we going to put? All right. One of the there's two termination resistors in here. One is going to go on the other terminal on this box.
Okay.
You're going to hook the second cable on this box is going to go up to your first control head.
Okay.
Then you're going to take another cable and you're going to go from that control head to this control head.
So it's just a single loop. It's not two wires
That's
coming
right.
back.
That's
okay.
right. And then the second terminal on this control head is going to have the other terminator. So you've got a terminator on both ends.
That's because it's only a single motor?
Yeah.
Correct. All right.
So I don't know how much distance you have from here to your first control head. I got an extra cable here. You got a 20-footer, a 30-footer, and a 40-footer.
Oh, wow. Great.
I don't know which one you need.
I bet we're going to use the 20 and the 30.
Because this one here was originally designed to go between the two. I don't know why they send such a long one. So I had them send you a short one for here this morning.
Okay. And are all of these cables, do they have the same terminal ends?
Same terminal.
All
ends.
right.
Female to female.
Excellent.
So there's your 30, there's your 20, there's your short. Takes care of your CAN bus signal. Then your throttle cable is going to go in here and connect to this.
Okay. Just like a standard Morse cable.
That's right. That's all
Okay.
it is. Standard 33C
Yep.
cable.
Great.
This you only have to worry about. This is for mechanical control or shift rather. You're not going to use that
Because I have electronics.
because you have electronic. So what you're going to have on here this is your troll plug.
Mm-hmm.
There's a cable in there. That's going to go, let's see, tilt. Tack. Let me think about this a minute. I have to look at the cables. This is your troll.
Okay.
You're going to plug this into troll, which is on
Right there.
here. And the other end is going to go to that trolling valve on the back of the motor.
With you.
The one that I said we may have to replace.
Right.
All right. Then you're going to have your shift cable.
Okay.
This is going to plug into here.
And then that goes on the other two terminals on the back of the transmission.
Correct.
I'm with you. Boy, that's easy.
Pretty much. This is,
That looks like power.
that's start interlock. So that's going to go here.
Okay.
And where these two terminals are going to connect is you're going to take, make sure I got the right one here, that's ground, yep. You're going to take this wire off of here, and you're going to connect one wire to this wire,
Okay.
and the other wire to this terminal.
Okay. That'll be,
So
the
it's-
video on that'll be very important. Well done.
So the power won't allow you to start if you're out of neutral.
I'm with you.
So that's what the start interlock is. It's a
Yeah, in
safety
case you
device.
shut the motor down while it's electronically in gear, that kind of thing.
Yep. And the next cable. This one.
Looks like that's the enable cable. Looks like that terminal
Yes,
fits
this
there.
is the enable. So this is going to plug in there.
Mm-hmm.
The other end of this, you're going to mount this switch. This is your enable switch to turn the system on. You're going to mount this on your dash.
I'm with you. So it's just a rocker to power the system.
That's what it is. Yep.
Okay.
And they give you the terminals to put on the end of the wire to hook onto here.
All right.
So all that is it's making a connection. Turns the system on. Then finally you have your power cable.
Okay.
They want you to have, they would prefer you to have two sources of power, but you probably just have the one battery.
Well, I have two batteries, but yeah, they're looped in. So I
Okay.
have two big tractor
12
batteries.
volt.
Yeah.
So the way this is designed is to hook the, let me open this up. And this is the other reason why you want these within certain proximity to each other.
Sure, because the
There's
power, you have
there's your
loss.
splitter.
Yep.
You got power for here,
Mm-hmm.
and you got power for here.
Okay.
And then your end wires, usually you have one to each battery,
Mm-hmm.
and then this is
single
this is a ground.
Okay.
What I usually do is I'll connect the two grounds. I'll put a ground to one battery, and then I'll make it like a Y and jump the two grounds together. But if you're already connected together, that's fine. If you have your batteries are connected,
Mm-hmm.
so you have double batteries,
Yes.
just the one ground is fine.
Okay.
You want this to come off one positive terminal on one battery and one on the other.
10-4.
Okay? And then you're going to have to supply this cable from
Correct. The Morse
here.
cable
From
to
here, it's going to connect to here.
to the throttle.
Because we don't know what length that is.
Right.
You can get it whatever length you want.
I'm with you. Awesome.
And that's pretty much the nuts and bolts of it.
That's the
two-
system, eh?
The two control heads are in there.
Lots of toys.
Lots of toys.
I've been building this boat for 2 years, man. All right, finish.
Yeah.